But I couldn't imagine wearing this going uphill, but you can probably smell the sulfur now. It smells like fart. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. Indonesia!
Hi guys, welcome back. This is our Indonesia series. I know you're probably thinking, a bit unusual, he's just sat on the bed. Because this is a very special day. We have just got up, it is 2 AM, just about to leave our place and hike an active volcano. Let's go. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Right, let's go and get in the car. We've got about an hour journey now to the base of the volcano.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And them.
Yeah, and him, both. Them?
Terima kasih, thank you.
Makashi.
Oh, look cool.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This for me.
Long leg.
Second.
We're well unprepared.
Blue.
Any? Black.
Which way is it going?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah, long.
Long.
And 2 gloves? How much?
All
Yep,
170.
170.
Yeah.
That right?
You.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Makashi.
Sama-sama. Thank you, terima kasih.
Terima
Terima kasih.
Makashi. Sama-sama. Okay, we're more prepared.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Bule just told us that his name means flower in Indonesian, but prostitute in English.
Bye-bye, thank you. Oh, there's actually taxis. That's actually a taxi.
Right, we're just ascending. Obviously, we didn't come prepared. We had like shorts and t-shirt on. I know it sounds stupid, but we didn't actually like treat this as a mountain, even though it's like a mountain. Obviously, pay the woman, and she supplied us with a jacket, trousers, and gloves. Luckily, she was there. Probably going to be worth it. We're not going to regret it. And these torches are cool.
But as you can probably see, it's pitch black and we're in the fog, so we can't really feel much because we can't really see much. It's hard work. It's a steep hill on black, like ashy, well, I don't know if it's ash, volcano. Is it volcano? What has it been?
Probably actually volcano.
Yeah, we're walking on like black ashy ground, which is a bit loose, but not too bad. But we're getting really hot and sweaty because obviously we're walking uphill and it's hard work. Do you think we're there?
No, I said 300 metres.
How far's that? How far's 300 metres?
It is a third of a kilometre.
Drink loads of water. We know the rules.
Cheers.
Oh, steps. I don't know what's worse.
We're starting to get a little bit of light. We're a little bit worried because our group's quite far ahead, so we're falling quite far behind. We're all going the same way. There's a path.
There is a cliff edge and a lot of fog. We're hoping this clears up though so we can see the crater. It's actually a lot easier to breathe in this than I thought it'd be. But I couldn't imagine wearing this going uphill, but you can probably smell the sulfur now. It smells like fart. I can still smell it. Ben, pull it up over your nose. It's got to be like right up there. Oh my god. Heavy.
Yeah, heavy. 75.
74.
Yes.
Strong. Hi. Thank you.
You guys got any bearing of where we're meant to be?
I'm following each person I see.
They're all disappearing.
No. I keep hearing someone holler to us.
I think we can take our mask off. I've seen a few people taking it off, so...
Oh, how do you get it off? Hold on. Help me! Alright, we'll just deal with that. But we've made it to the top, but it's too cloudy to see anything. There's meant to be an acid lake here. We're hoping it clears, but it don't look promising.
Yeah, I think, obviously think it's there,
Yeah.
but it's just a ball of cloud. A bit disappointing, but it is what it is. We sort of expected this, but...
I didn't. I wouldn't have done it if I expected this.
I think we're going to wait up here a while and see if it clears.
Yeah, because the sun's like rising now. We think the sun's rising. We have no idea because we can see.
It's getting lighter.
Yeah, so hopefully as the sun comes out it clears. I don't know, they said it didn't clear yesterday. I'll be gutted. Tiny bit of a view. It's going! We got a bit of view. I'm shaking too much. Whoa, look at that. Look at it.
We wait.
Worth it. Oh my god.
So take your time, yeah? It's your holiday.
Yeah.
You can see everything.
Thank you. That was absolutely amazing, but it is so cold.
We did manage to get like...
Oh, it's clearing again. Oh! So I've kind of gone over here, away from everyone, hoping it clears up a bit more and I can get a nice picture of it again in the distance.
This is obviously where they go down mining. I don't even hear it, it's mask. Go down mining for the sulfur.
But it's getting really bad here. I can't even see where everyone is. Woo! Oh, no. No, thank you. This is where it gets really bad with the sulfur. It stinks. No, thank you. So these are taxis. Taxi. You're just like, going down so easy. Nope. Because it's all slippery downhill.
I always find it worse.
It is, isn't it? See? Okay, here we go. So obviously we didn't see this on the way up. There is a little shot. So obviously we didn't see any of this coming up because it was pitch black. Oh no, back downhill.
So this volcano is called IJEN. What we were trying to see earlier is one of only 2 sulfur lakes in the world. It's a beautiful turquoise lake, but you definitely will not like to swim in it.
This volcano is east of Java. It is 2,769 metres above sea level. So it is quite high and it does get really cold out there. So make sure you dress appropriately, unlike us.
Yeah.
Oh, it's one of the best views I've ever seen. We didn't get the full view, but it was better than nothing.
We had to wait for it.
If you ever do it or you have a better view, send us it and let us see, because we want to see what the whole thing's like. We're shedding the layers now. We in? We've run out of room in there.
Just about.
If we need to evacuate, we're going the right way.
later. Nice to meet you guys.
See you later.
Happy travels.
And you?
Okay, we have to apologise. We kind of got back here and looked normal, didn't finish it properly. We kind of just crashed. I had a nap. Did you have a nap?
No, I didn't have a nap.
I had like a 2-hour nap, so that really refreshed us. We just went up the shop, got some water in and some snacks because we've got our first train tomorrow in Indonesia.
Make sure you stay tuned for that.
Definitely, I'm looking forward to it because we love a train ride. Just a little bit information on the trip. Absolutely brilliant, amazing experience. One of up there, one of my top experience.
Yeah,
unfortunately, we didn't get the best view, but we got a view. Like the clouds moved in the end, and we were really lucky, and you could have heard all of us cheering.
So we booked our tour with Mango Tree Homestay. It was $300 per person, and that was with pickup, drop off, and a tour guide.
Unless you're low cost though, we had to pay, I think it was about 200 to lend some clothes.
Yeah.
Because we stupidly did not come prepared. It is very, very cold up there, so do make sure you have a couple of layers up there. When you're hiking up there, you get hot and sweaty and you think, no, you don't do it. You do. It is very cold, but it is an amazing view. And if we're ever back here in this part of the world, we will 100% try and do it again because I want to see the blue flames. But we're going to leave it here now. We've just ordered some food because we're being really lazy. Sorry again.
Recovering. Yeah.
My legs are killing me. They weren't even like a massive hike, but I haven't done anything like that for a while. We'll see you tomorrow for our first train ride in Indonesia.
Subscribe. You want to say anything to the camera?
Not really.
No. Right, we're just ascending the volcano. Me and Reanne obviously turned up.
Try it, cat. Oh. Ben, please get back. Ben! It's a beautiful turkey. Sorry, we're going down here. I think Ben's got to keep that mask. He looks it. Hey!
It's not up to me.
Sexy legs are out.